Hi, hello all, welcome to the Matter YouTube channel. So in today's video, we shall see some of the tools and skills that are required for a DevOps engineer. So what are the various skills and tools that forms a complete DevOps ecosystem? So let's enter into the video. So these are the 9 tools and skills that are part of DevOps, that is scripting, CI/CD tools, build tools, source code management tools, deploy tools, virtualization and containerization, report statistics and analytics, test automation, static code analysis tools. So first one is scripting. Coming to scripting, Perl, Python, Groovy, Bash. Second, CI/CD tools: Jenkins, TeamCity, Circle CI, Bamboo, GitLab. Build tools: Buildmaster, Maven, Apache Ant, Gradle. Source code management tools: Bitbucket, Perforce, Visual Studio, Subversion, GitHub. Deploy tools: Puppet, CakePHP, Chef, Ansible. Virtualization and containerization tools: Docker, Kubernetes, Amazon ECS, Apache Mesos, Microsoft Hyper-V. Report statistics and analytics: Tableau, Allure Report Portal, SolarWinds, Nagios, Dynatrace, Genos, New Relic. Test automation: JUnit, Selenium, Catalan, Cypress, SoapUI, UFT1, Tricentis Tosca, Postman, Ready API, Apache JMeter, LoadRunner, and NUnit. Static code analysis tools: SonarQube, Codassi, ReSharper, Coverity. So these are the 9 tools and skills that are present as part of DevOps. So it does not require all of the tools, but each tool, at least 1 or 2 skills are required.